Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about black seed deep conditioning hair mask by a company called Hair-Vatika. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is what I normally use on my hair, well, before I cut it all off. I use it on my hair and I use it on the kids' hair. I've been using it for about, let's say, about a year now, just over a year. And honestly, it's the best thing. It's a little bit pricey, but it's okay. It's not, you know, too bad, but it's honestly the best thing that I've ever bought, that I've used in our hair. You know, I use it to wash our hair, I use it to condition it. I don't use normal shampoo because obviously, as you know, that does dry your hair out. So I use this as like a co-wash sort of thing. So I'll put it in, wash the hair out maybe twice, and then I'll put a conditioner in. I'll normally leave it in for about 15 minutes or so, but I'm going to show you guys how I do it. But yeah, it's really good. I'm not even going to lie or pretend, it's really good. So I thought I'll share with you guys my little secret anyway. So yeah, so if you want to check it out, do a little close up for you guys quickly. So there is a Hair-Vatika deep conditioning hair mask. Yeah, yeah, it's so good. I'll show you the texture as well. That's what it looks like, if you can see it. So it's sort of like a black charcoal greenish. It's quite a weird one, but yeah, once I'm putting in the hair, I'll show you guys a little bit closer as well what it looks like in my hand. It's got I love the smell. Literally, it will stay in your hair for a couple of days after you've used it. It's so nice. Yeah, I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna wash Caselle's hair quickly with this. And then once I've come back, then I'll show you guys how I condition it. Yeah, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so this is it after I've just washed it out 2 times. Yeah, extremely soft. And I've tried so many products, guys. Like, you know, ever since growing up and stuff, I've gone through so many products. And now I found this. I don't think I would ever change again. But yeah, so right, so let me show you guys how I do deep condition the hair. Ready? Yeah, and it smells lovely. Smell it. What does it smell like?
It smells like kiwi.
Smells like a kiwi.
Yeah.
Right, so before using this product, I used to use the aloe plant. So I used to obviously cut it, open it up and stuff, and use it in the hair. And I didn't find that it made much of a difference. Put your head down, Kissy. I didn't find that it made much of a difference to our hair. So yeah, I kind of just stopped using it especially since I found this one. And this one was literally by chance. It wasn't even like I've seen it elsewhere or heard reviews or anything like that. I was literally just in the shop and I thought, you know, I want to try something new, try something different. Yeah, and then I saw this and I thought, okay, let me just try it out and see. Yeah, it's literally in your local supermarket. You know, nothing, it wasn't hard to find. Put your head down for me. It wasn't hard to find at all. So yes, I'm just putting it all over her hair, making sure that it gets everywhere. I used to really struggle with her hair. Because my hair is a lot softer. My other daughter is a lot softer as well. So her hair, whenever I used to wash it, you know, I used to find it so hard to try and, you know, get through her hair. Look at that. I still haven't used a comb. I haven't used anything. And look how my fingers can, you know, kind of go through it. Oh, it's so soft. It's not tangled at all. At all. Look at that. Look at that. Right, so if I were to brush it or comb it out, it's let's see. Let's part a little section.
What's the section?
I'm just making just getting out a little bit so I can show them. Yeah. Right. Okay. So yeah. Let's see, hold your head up for me. And then this is it. Literally. I won't put it too hard because she doesn't really like her hair getting cold. But yeah, this is literally it. And it goes through like so easy. Okay, yeah, so yeah, I'll just put it in. Normally just wrap it up now, leave it on for about 15 minutes or so. And then I wash it out and it's literally...
He's going to wash it out again.
Yeah, we need to wash it out again. And it literally is so soft when you do it.
It's really soft to me.
Yeah, it's going to be super soft after. Yeah, normally with my own hair, what I used to do, I'll wrap it up in, you know, cling film and all of that just to get the heat under there. But yeah, and that's it. So this is it after the deep conditioning. If you have a look at that. Okay, put your head down for them to see your hair. And nice, beautiful hair. It's so soft and it's so much more manageable now that I'm using this product. But yeah guys, so that is the end of the video. Yeah, so this is it guys. The Vatika Black Seed Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. Go check it out. Yeah, let me know what you guys think if you start using it as well. Let me know in the comments below.
Bye guys.
Alright guys, see you guys next time. Bye.